Good day mga kachings, another day, another blessing. So for today, I want to share with you our K-pop Demon Hunters cake. And this is a chocomoist cake with a dimension of 7 inches diameter by 3.5 inches in height. So smaller ni siya nga cake sa mga previous na to nga gihipo nga mga K-pop Demon Hunters cake. So we have also the reference photo nga gisend sa ato as a client. So mora sad atang gisundan. This is also the combination of printable toppers, edible dredges, and the whip icing na to nga decor nga gamay ra tong gi-add-on, no? And we have also the non-edible nga mga balls. So duwa na naka-balls atong gibutang na sa lower nga portion sa iyang cake. I would like to thank to Ma'am Amy Joy for this order. Ma'am, thank you so much. And this is order last February. So karon pa nato na upload. So this is it. We're done with our beautiful and a simple our K-pop Demon Hunters cake. Okay, so thank you for watching and God bless.